Annyeonghaseyo, Chademan, Deshaun Duffy Doll. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you. Today I will be unboxing my PetTreater box for September 2018. As usual, I'll leave all the information down below about PetTreater. Let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty then. First things first, when I open this up, there's some cards in here. This one says a pet's lover's bucket list. This is the ultimate pet-friendly road trip. So if you want to go on a road trip with your dog, these are places that are pet-friendly. Luna is the PetTreater pick of the litter. There she is right there. And then I have something here from Whisk and Wag. I get $1 off at Amazon. This is what the card looks like, Whisk and Wag. And then here's the other side of the card there. All right, Whisk and Wag. All right, first things first, what is this? This says, every snack you make, every bite you take, I'll be watching you. Oh, an ode to the police. Look at that. If y'all know about the police then and Sting, you can't be my friend. Every snack you make, every bite you take, I'll be watching you. This is a nice size, like, towel. Look at that. This is a towel. Or something to lay down. Like, if your dog has, like, a treat that's kind of messy, you don't want to get your carpet dirty, I would put this down and use it for that. Because it's kind of thin. The material is kind of thin. So, but this is nice, though. I like this. Thank you so much, PetTreater. They always give you something for the human. That's what I like about PetTreater. So I'm not sure if this is for the human, but that's what I would do with this. There's no other cards in here, I don't think. But that's what I would do with this. I would set this on the floor, maybe if my dog had like a treat that's going to be messy. I got a toy, and this is from Pet Rage Designs. This is the Play Rages, and this is there's no stuffing in this toy. This is what it looks like there. There is the tag. Here's the other side of the tag. There's a squeaker in its head. There's crinkly paper in its body. And then there's a fluffy tail. Other side looks like that. So this is a squeak and crinkle toy. Next thing we have, what is this? Oh, these are from Tickled Pet, the fish skin dental chews. One single ingredient. And that is cod skins. That's awesome. Human grade. And I believe these treats are made in Switzerland? Maybe? There you go. That's what that looks like. Made in Switzerland, but distributed in New York City. Here's the other side. That's what the treats look like inside the bag. Let's give him one and see what happens if I can get these open. Can I get them open? Can I get them open? I may not can get these open. Oh, let's see. It looks like I have them open. All right, let me give them one. Let me show what they look like. They don't have that strong of a smell, but they're very small. They look like that there. Like twisted fish skin. All right, come here. Up, sit down. Nope, sit down. Good boy. See what he does with that. Next thing I got in here, this is from Whisk and Wag. Bake at home dog treat mix. That's a nice size. Look at that. That's a full size of this. This is 8.4 ounces. This is what it looks like here. It tells you how to mix this, and you can make your own dog treats. I'm definitely doing this. Oh, here are the instructions right here on the lid. Nice. That is so cool. I would have never thought about that. And then, oh, look, I got a little heart. Can you see that? Hold on a second. Can you see that? I got a little heart cookie press thing so that I can make little heart cookies using the Whisk and Wag. That is so adorable. Okay. Anyway, a couple more things I got in here. Now, this must be for the human. This right here says, oh, it's a storage tote. Yes. It says wolf on it. Let me open this up here. I think this is for the human. That other little towel thing, I don't know if that was for the human or not. But yeah, it's a storage tote. Here's the tag right there. And this is for like toys Yeah, this is a, yep, I would put toys in here. This is cute. Let me fluff it out a little bit. There you go. Very nice. There it is. Can you guys see that? It says Woof. It's blue and white. It's got some handles on there. I'm putting toys in here. This is very nice. All right, and then I also have from the same company a soft toy, a durable toy. It looks like this here, and it's it looks like Burberry. Here's the other side. Let me take it out of this plastic so that we can get a better look-see at it. All right, here's a better look-see. All right, here we go. There's our tag. There's our inside of our tag that talks about the information and all of that. There's a squeaker in here. I can feel it. It says play on it. Other side is like velvet. Very nice. Awesome for fall. All right, anywho, and then last but not least, we have in here from Emmy's Gourmet Canine Creations. Emmy always sends us a cookie. This one's in the shape of a football because, as you know, it is football season. The NFL has started. If you're not watching, some people are not watching. Let me just make that clear. Some folks ain't watching because, you know. But anyway, I'm not going to go into politics and all that stuff right now, but just some folks ain't watching. But speaking of football, Kentucky had a good game yesterday. Kentucky was awesome. Anyway, that's everything that's in my PetTreater box. Let's recap. I got this storage right here, storage container, which is very, very cool to be sent that. I also got from Emmy's Gourmet Canine Creations the football cookie. Very cool. The little cookie press in the shape of a heart, along with the Whisk and Wag cookie mix. I also got from Territory brand this toy here that's in the shape of a bone with a squeaker in it. I also got this here from PetTreater, this toy right here with the squeaker and the crinkly paper. This right here, very cool looking towel. And last but not least, the fish skins right there. All right, my friends, that is everything in this month's PetTreater box for September 2018. Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that right now. There'll be a giveaway. I'm close to 1,000 subscribers. I'll let you know what that is when I reach that threshold. All right, friends, talk to you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난 나